So, welcome, guys. I hope you had an amazing year. 2021 has come to an end, and today is the 1st of January 2022. So, I wish every one of you, whoever is viewing this video, who is sharing my videos, who is a subscriber to my channel, a very, very warm, a very big, prosperous new year to all of you. May all your wishes come true by the end of the year, and you will be very happy to know that I have planned to give you a present all of you. It's free of cost, it is for everyone, and each one of you who shares this channel. So I have come up with a strategy and an indicator. It will give you where to buy and where to sell, at what quantity to buy and what quantity to sell, and which share to buy and which share to sell. So it is that simple. I have done all the coding, all the programming necessary to just give you the buy and sell signals. You don't have to see anything else, so you can just follow the strategy religiously, and that's all. You just have to spend 5 minutes every morning, that's it, and you can gain an accuracy of average 80%. So I will show you as the time comes, and please watch this video till the end. It can also change your trading or investing career, or if you are willing to start into the markets, it will give you a huge boost because you will see something reliable. All the data is in front of you. I will show you the accuracy, I will show you the scripts, and just stay tuned till the end. And also keep sharing my video. This will be totally free of cost, and provided you fill out the form that I will give at the end. So please be to the end of the video. Let me show you the strategy. So I have named this strategy Sigma Trader. Why Sigma? Sigma is the name for standard deviation, and in this strategy the main component is standard deviation and price action. So it is not necessary for you to know what standard deviation is, but many of my friends who are from economics background or mathematical background will easily know what standard deviation is. So I have used this strategy, and this is very, very powerful. You can see it gives you a buy signal over here. It gives you the number of shares to be bought also, and it gives you right at the open 9:15 a.m. So you just have to spend say 2 or 3 minutes as you get used to it, and it will give you the signal. It will give you the exit, and you can see that this was being profitable. You can see here it gave a buy signal, here you get a sell signal, so this was also profitable, and here you get a buy signal, here you get a sell signal, that was also very profitable. And the main thing about this strategy is it makes you buy at the lowest point. You can see it made you buy here, price never fell below this point. It made you buy here, price also never fell below this point. And here also it made you buy here and sell here, price also never fell below your buying price. So it makes you buy at the bottom and sell at the top. So it is a swing trading strategy. We have used 1 day time frame. It is every day you have to check. You do not have to check like uh, every 4 or 5 times in a day. You just have to check in the morning of the day. So that's it. You will get a huge accuracy. Let me show you in the strategist taster. So here I have given all the coding required, all the like programming required. I have done that for you. You do not have to put any brains or don't have to take any headache. That is my gift to all of you. And here you can see that that is the strategy tester. So it is all about the metrics, the statistics of the strategy, the data. So here you can see percentage profitable. So it is 71.4%. So it is a huge accuracy. If you don't know, if you work in the markets, if you see news channels, they give you a very poor accuracy. If you follow brokers research reports, they will give you even poorer accuracy. You just go on to YouTube and just randomly give find anyone give you any stock tips that will be of terrible accuracy. And you can see that this is 71% accuracy, and the net profit is also good. This is annual net profit, that is also very good. And to show you a magic, if I switch it to the weekly time frame, you can see that it is 90% accuracy. 90% accuracy is no joke. It is a huge potential. And I can show you one of our favorite stocks and see the magic. It is 100% profitable. It is 100% profitable in the long term, that is the weekly time frame. So every week, every Monday, if you just check this strategy, putting the weekly chart, you will get 100% accuracy on a few stocks, so that you can check also later, and I will give you a list also later. So in Asian Paints, you can just imagine whatever you have bought, it has become profitable. You never sold anything at loss. And on the daily also, it is giving you an 83% win rate. That is a huge win rate if you don't know. So, and also this strategy makes you buy at the bottom and sell at the top. So like this also, and also this one, buy at the bottom and sell at the top. So you can just go on checking this strategy over and over again, this one, this one, this one. So 8 out of 10 times, that is a huge accuracy. And let's see some other stocks as well. 73.9%, and you can see it gives you a bottom buying and top selling. And currently there is a trade, it is not very profitable as of now, but I am very sure it will become profitable in this Dabur. And on the weekly time frame as well, it is giving you an 80% accuracy. Apollo Hospitals, uh, one of the most popular stocks, and this also, it is giving you an 80% win rate. 79.66 is a huge win rate. And also on the weekly time, that is a long term also, this one is also giving you 100% win rate. Imagine you are taking a trade and it is getting successful 10 out of 10 times. So IRCTC, on the daily time frame only, it is giving you 100% accuracy. LTI is giving you a 78% accuracy. Titan is giving you a 72% accuracy. Deepak Nitrate, 79-80% accuracy. And you can see it is making you buy at the bottom, buy, and the quantity is given, and it has made you sell recently at the top. So you will do bottom buying and top selling with this strategy. It is very powerful. And on the weekly as well, it gives you very good strategy. See, it is giving you 100% profitable, like zero drawdown, zero losses for few stocks, and I will mention the stocks also. So this is a very powerful strategy. You will never find anything like this on YouTube. Prop trading desks never give this strategies free of cost to anyone. So I have made this strategy, I have coded this strategy and presented it to all of you. See, 83% win rate on the daily time frame only. So every day you have to check and you have to place a trade if you get. So and you will get a very good accuracy with this strategy. So I'll tell you what to do, how to get this indicator, that this Sigma Trader. It is not free of cost, and you see Virtues of Ventures written over here. It is actually the name of my Telegram channel. And Sigma Trader, yes, of course, I mean it. So I told you why the name is there. So if you search it in the indicators section, you will not get this strategy over there ready made. So it is a bit private strategy, but I will give you free of cost. And what you have to do, you just have to share my channel and subscribe to my channel. I will attach a Google form in the description of this video. You just have to click screenshots that you have subscribed and shared in your groups, and you will get the strategy via email free of cost. As soon as you get it via email, I will post another video on how to use that strategy effectively. I'll give you a detailed, it will be a 30 minutes video, detailed backtesting and detailed like how to open a TradingView account, everything, broker account, everything. If you are absolute beginner to the market, it will be it will be very easy for you to get started with a strategy, to get started with a edge in the market. So that's it. Please go to the description below, share my channel, fill out the form, and like I will be giving this only to 50 people, and 2 to 3 days time is only there. So be quick, be fast, and without much ado, thank you everyone, and please stay subscribed, please share my channel, and please like this video and share it. It can change lives also. Thank you, and happy new year once again.